Hello everyone, ASXMOV officially launched the 5th professional grade film CNC motion control slider. While we play the demo video, we start from the design, a flexible and portable track design, solid 2-dimension, 3-dimension head. The linear upper high precision track is the highlight of this product. The multi-axis CNC track can bear the weight of within 6 kg professional motion film machine. The track moves smoothly. The start and stop also automatically run smooth. The multi-axis Moco motion control system, independently developed by ASXMOV, supports up to 6 axes of gain control. The inner part of the head adopts a non-wound design. Each axis can rotate indefinitely, so that many special effects shots can be easily shot, such as clone. Through powerful chip operation and complex motion algorithm, the location and memory movement of angle position in space can be realized by multiple axes. Instantaneous movement. You can design a complex trajectory, then the system to track to ensure motion instructions. The track with 0.02mm high precision operation to achieve a track be consistented completely, and the repeat round trip completely consistented with motion track. The repeat trajectory allows us to save high costs and easily do many special effects shots by post-CG fabrications. The whole body closed design, which ensures the normal operation of the equipment under the harsh environment. Spatial time difference, slow motion and high-speed running people or objects in the same screen, as well as stop motion animation. The effect of the zoom, time-lapse photography, panoramic large picture stitching and other functions. If you use a tripod to hold the camera to the lens, this can be done easily, but if you want the picture to run vigorously, it is very difficult to do. You must use a high-precision multi-axis CNC track can be completed. With the 6-axis gang control, you can design your own unique shooting techniques to show off your creativity. I think this product will be your ideal partner in film, TV and advertising shooting.